Football today isn't just about skill and passion. It's powered by some incredible tech that's changed the way the game is played, analyzed, and even watched. From tracking every step players take to tech that makes calls on goals and offsides, let's look at how tech is revolutionizing football. First, we have player trackers, one of the most impactful innovations on the pitch. We've seen players wear those small vests under their jerseys. Inside are GPS and motion sensors that track their every move. These devices transmit data in real time, capturing information on speed, total distance, acceleration, and even how often a player makes intense sprints. This helps coaches and trainers tailor fitness programs and keep tabs on fatigue level to prevent injury. But it's not just the coaches who benefit. This data is also a goldmine for analysts who break down how each player's performance impacts the team's overall play. Next up is VAR, or Video Assistant Referee, a tool that's become crucial in modern football. The system relies on an array of ultra-high-speed cameras that capture every single angle of the game, allowing referees to review and assess key moments in real time. But when it comes to offside calls, the tech gets even more precise. In some situations, VAR can use 3D models to analyze player position down to a millimeter. These models visually reconstruct the exact moment a ball was played, overlaying the player's position to determine if anyone was in an offside position. This level of precision helps officials make calls that are as fair and accurate as possible, even if it's sometimes controversial. Then we have smart balls. Yes, the ball itself is high tech. These smart balls have microchips embedded inside, which allow them to track everything from the ball's speed and spin to its exact position on the field. During major tournaments, the ball sends instant data to referees, helping them make more accurate calls. Imagine a goal line scenario. The ball sensor can confirm whether it fully crossed the line. Smart balls are also an essential tool for teams as they provide more detailed metrics on how a player kicks, how fast the ball travels, and much more. Now let's talk about data analytics and stats, the tools that help fans, analysts, and teams understand the game beyond just the score. Today, websites and teams can track where each player takes their shots, whether from outside the box or inside, and where they tend to score most often. This results in a visual shot map that shows a player's strengths and scoring habits. On top of that, we have heat maps. These show a player's activity zones, revealing where they spend the most time on the pitch and how they move throughout a match. This level of detail isn't just interesting, it's critical. Coaches can use heat maps to adjust formations, while fans get insights into how a player's style fits into a team strategy. And then there's expected goals, or XG, which uses all this shot data to calculate the likelihood of scoring from any given shot location. Seeing a team's XG compared to their actual goals scored can give fans a better idea of how effectively a team is finishing their chances. And now let's dive deeper into advanced player stats and one of the most discussed metrics, player ratings. Player ratings are a popular way to evaluate a player's overall performance in a match, and they're not just pulled out of thin air. These ratings are generated using detailed algorithms that take into account hundreds of actions and interactions throughout a game. For example, every pass a player completes, every shot, tackle, interception, and even positioning is weighed and assigned a value based on its impact. Actions that contribute to a team's chances of scoring, like key passes or successful dribbles, boost a player's rating, while missed passes, poor touches, or fouls can lower it. And this isn't just simple counting. Some rating systems adjust for the difficulty of each action, where a goal from a tight angle or a long pass through heavy opposition counts for more. By looking at shot maps, analysts can see not only where each player takes their shots, but also how accurate and successful they are from various parts of the pitch. Heat maps, on the other hand, track movement and show where each player spends the most time on the field. This data lets analysts break down each player's role and efficiency in different zones. So, when you see a player with a high rating at the end of a match, it's often because they performed exceptionally well in these specific measurable areas. This kind of data isn't just informative, it's transformative, giving fans and teams a clear picture of what's happening on the pitch. Another game-changing piece of tech is goal line technology. Imagine 7 high-speed cameras trained on each goal, capturing every single millisecond of action. When the ball nears the line, the system instantly calculates its position. If it fully crosses the line, a signal is sent directly to the referee's watch, confirming a goal in less than a second. This tech has taken the guesswork out of close calls and stopped countless debates about whether a goal should count. It's fair, it's fast, and it's become a vital part of the game. From GPS trackers to smart balls, VAR 3D models to shot maps and XG stats, technology is making football more precise, insightful, and exciting. Each innovation brings a new layer of strategy and accuracy, changing the way we watch, analyze, and even play the game. What do you think? Does all this tech make football better, or is it taking away some of the magic? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you in the next video.